Oh, they're having a conversation.
Be careful. This one's so there's my cookie. There's my cookie. There you go. Okay, there's my.
What's up, sis? I got a farm that you could potentially start at if you want.
A what?
All right, y'all. I'm gonna be drinking juice while we go down the trail. New juice that I never had. Oh, this is the flavor.
I think that's the time.
That it low-key tastes watered down, but that's how I drink my juice on a regular basis, so I can't tell.
Oh yeah, that's what you would have known. That's what you got to name.
Oh, no sugar added.
Yeah.
That's why I'm hydrated off of it.
I mean, it's just organic on it too.
Y'all, this is a filler video at its best. That was good. 10 out of 10. Dang. Here's some water views, because I don't know what else is for y'all. I'm not drinking another one yet.
Oh,
See, now I'm recording, and I'm not going to edit this for who knows how long. So I said I wasn't gonna drink another juice box, but somebody
I thought I did.
gonna try to tell me that he got the flavor that I got.
There ain't much in there.
So he already tasted it. It's fruit punch, by the way.
Oh my god.
This one hits way better. That one was better.
Yeah.
Since you wanted to drink some, tell them how it tasted.
You definitely like water. Like water down.
I watered down my juice already.
Like water down. You might as well drink water.
No, I need a little bit of flavor.
Well, add a little bit of sugar.
Anyway,
water.
that's enough for him.
Sugar water.
You don't see this, bro?
Yeah, she got me going in Turkey.
Okay, y'all, this is about the juice, so I'll be back when we're You know I have nothing to record when I'm just recording juice reviews. Like what?
You ain't got nowhere to go. I like the slants, the different ways she was built.
Okay, we finally found the trail. That means I found another juice box. Yeah, okay, wait. This one might be the best one.
It is. But I haven't tried the green apple one, so that one's last.
I don't know what I'm rating them off of, but in terms of this one has the most flavor. Even though I like them watered down, I'm gonna go from a kiss perspective. If they never had it, this one they will probably like this one.
That's the only one.
It tastes the most like juice, like grape juice. Or
Ouch.
the other ones were noticeably watered down. Oh, 5 second rule on that, but
I don't care.
but like
I don't care. I need a straw. What you got?
look at mine. It's too late now. It would be funny if I left this unedited. I might.
I feel like this is a calm one.
This one I can drink a lot of. The other ones, I feel like, nah.
You know where this trail ends? We're going to have to walk this on back. Oh yeah, this is what I had to drive across yesterday.
Oh, a moat? What the fuck?
Bro, it was all the way in, like, you get there, you go through various back roads, just like big ass, like I don't even know, bro. It was just too many fucking roads to go down. It took at least like 10 minutes to get from the gate of where we was at all the way to the actual area where the event was. Behind secure gates, by the way.
This one might be the best.
Tastes like
It just tastes like apple juice. So I would say grape. You know.
I think that was that was great.
Goodness gracious. Happily ever after. Okay, y'all, that's the end of my random ass video.